prank. Okay, before I go into pranking, I want you guys to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button and the little bell so that you can get notifications every time I post bangers here on this channel, because it's the best channel in the world of YouTube. I'm better than PewDiePie. Everybody knows that. Cheer. So make sure you smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. Let's get right into the pranking. So say hi to the 69ers.
Are you guys recording?
Yeah.
Dude, I actually went blind.
You went blind?
No, I mean, no, deaf.
Damn.
Dude.
Okay, do it to me. Do it to me.
Stop.
Do it to me.
That
You guys do
hurt.
it to me. Oh shit! If he was gonna do it. Ready?
No covering.
Not
Pussy.
directly.
No covering. Pussy right here.
Oh, that shit actually is loud. Pass it. Pass it, you nigga. Give me my thing. Give me my thing.
The team spirit is gonna be me, Alex, Albert.
I'll find other people. Wait! Fucking niggers, I'm gonna go fight Daniel. You know what? Go down and hit that subscribe button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 times. What up? What up? What up? Skip boys. Guys. No, but like,
Pull that shit, I'll kick your ass.
Yeah.
No gay you are. It's for your Twitch stream?
Oh, hit my toe. Shit.
Record yourself.
Shit.
Yeah, bro, all for you, man. Yeah, got you, Cherry. Come on, G.
What's up, man?
Got you.
Penny boy. Pass. Dude, it went by itself. Miguel's house. Guys, on my air horn. Miguel's house. Chill, man. No, I guess they're gone. I'm gonna ask Miguel if you could come outside, my nigga Miguel. Crap. What? Huh? Yeah. I don't know. He's probably going to your house. Check something. Pass it. I want to try the penny board.
You know how to ride one?
I'll try.
Magiga!
Maquito! Try to get his attention. So Maquito, come outside.
Yeah.
No, come outside. Come outside.
You can't.
Why? Look, come outside. Why? Let me know. Guess he's not coming outside. You're not coming outside. Why? Why are you not coming outside?
Are you coming outside, Maquito?
Huh?
You're outside.
My brother, Sebas, Herberto.
Yeah, we're about to go skate park.
We're about to go to ski park.
We're from New York, maybe. Havana.
Okay. Goodbye. Josh! Come! Oh my god. So annoying. Come! Say hi to vlog. Or whatever. Say hi. Say hi, my nigga.
Yo, go subscribe. Bitch, you gonna beat the shit out of you, nigga. I'm ready to go. Beat the shit out of you.
Oh shit. Oh shit. That went wrong, Jay. Nah. But Joshua did actually like tackle me down. So then it broke my pop socket, and that sucks. So now I need to get a new pop socket, and that's gonna be shitty. By the way, I have nobody else to do this except for you guys. Exactly, you guys heard that? That's the sound of pain, too. I hear you guys suffering, crying, saying stop. Let's go. See. So then, should that be it for the video? I don't know. Comment down below what should I do next. I'm not buying any more things unless I go to the store and buy some shit else, cause like it's so boring. So yeah, I'm gonna say I said it once and I said it twice. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that subscribe button and smash that like button and hit the little bell on the side to get notifications every time I post banger videos on my YouTube channel. No, I'm joking. They're not banger, but they're like some good ass videos. Shit. So, see you guys in the next one.